Right now I'm at a central train station and I am affected by all the commotion that's going on around me. What I feel, see, hear, everything I sense. And it's very easy to get disconnected to what I'm actually sensing in my body right now. This train station can inspire and help in understanding all these different connections that we actually have, but that we also in moments have to disconnect from. It can help us to understand that when we disconnect, there is a good reason for it, because there can be such a powerful reaction in my body that I can't even feel. The body doesn't feel safe in that moment. You're not always comfortable about the reactions that you're feeling, and finding comfort in that is knowing that there is a whole network of connections that can support you also in the body. Sometimes getting a little distance to it, getting away from all the commotion that's there, and move a little bit away, that can help so much. And here we just went out. We have a body with a load of experiences too, but we don't have to let those experiences be a burden for us in that given moment. There is also always movement in life, and it can be so valuable to see that these connections have a central place to interact. Just explore how can we connect when we are moving on? How can we connect living in life? Taking a deep breath is like going down the stairs on the train station. Sometimes if I force that breath, I go way too fast. It's like I go on an escalator that goes way too fast, and I get overwhelmed by the sensations. Then it helps to just blow it out, and then on the in-breath, maybe not go that deep down, because that's not what I can right now. Then I just take the normal stairs. I don't have to take the elevator or the fast escalator. And I don't have to go that deep down. That's also valuable. You don't have to go so deep down. It's just that of exploring it. And notice that you can always turn around and walk up again. There are so many ways to get connected again, and there is not one right way. And the thing is, the connection can happen on so many levels, in so many ways, that it's that of just exploring it. It's that of just being a little bit curious, and that also that part of actually moving slow in it, because the body can so fast react on it. And maybe like here at the central train station, it's also valuable to see that there's always another connection. It might take a moment, but that's okay. Then you just take that one. And sometimes it might be worth it to go down on a different level, that you just move it like down, take another, or you might have to get up, you might have to get out a bit, maybe put on a coat, maybe put on a protection sheet that you need at that moment. Maybe shifting something a little bit around, like if you have a heavy backpack, how can you shift the load? Maybe it helps just to take it off for a moment, because then you're not carried by it. It's that value of knowing that there is a whole network of connections that you can make use of in your body, and there knowing that there's always a way through. And then the parts of going up again, that we always can move up and down, finding new ways to go to the area we want to go to. And sometimes we end up at a new place we didn't know about. We are always moving, even when we are stopping up. And we also have the ability to stop up even when we are moving. It just helps to get a little light on things, to be able to see that. So welcome to the train station.